everyone, again welcome. Today we are going to share something amazing, mindfulness ideas of Xmix 3 Decor and mindfulness and benefits. Symbol of joy and togetherness, boost positivity and happiness, enhance home aesthetics, mindful relaxation, personal expression, eco-friendly options. So let's talk about the Xmix trees represent family unity and the spirit of sharing, bringing everyone together under one symbol of love. Now let's talk about boost positivity and happiness. How decorating your tree releases happy emotions and create a festive cozy vibe in your home. And everyone who is making with you this type of things enhance home aesthetics. A handmade or decorated X-Mix tree instantly becomes the centerpiece of your home. Decor, adding warmth, light, and seasonal charm. Now let's talk about warmth, mindfulness, and relaxation. Building or decorating your own X-Mix trees helps you slow down, focus on small details, and enjoy calm, creative moment. Personal expressions. Every ornament, lights, and ribbon reflects your personality and creativity. It's a piece of your story shining in your living space. Eco-friendly options. By picking trees with recycled materials like jute paper bottles, you reduce waste and promote sustainability. Benefits of crafting for mind, home, and life. Stress relief and mindfulness. Crafting keeps our mind focused and peaceful. It's like meditation with your hands, calm, creative, and healing. Improves creativity and imagination. Every new idea, designs, or handmade project boosts your creative thinking and problem solving skills.
मैं स्कूल से नाम से लिखे याद कर लेंगे शाम भी है
मुझे आकर लिख के दिखा improves creativity and imagination. Every new idea, designs, or handmade projects boosts your creative thinking and problem solving skills. Family bonding activity. Crafting together with kids, parents, or friends builds connection, teamwork, and beautiful holiday memories. Eco-friendly habits. Making crafts from waste material teaches the importance of recycling and saving resources. Budget-friendly home decor. Why buy expensive decor when you can make stunning pieces at home? Unique, meaningful, and affordable. Boost confidence and joy. Completing a craft gives you a sense of pride and happiness. It's your own little masterpiece. Perfect small business idea. Handcrafted Xmas decor items can be sold locally or online. A great way to eat from your passion. Rustic jute and burlap tree. Idea number 1. Use jute rope, burlap, and wooden stars for a natural cozy farmhouse look. Add warm fairy lights for soft evening glow. Idea number 2. Dollar Tree Glam Tree. Make a sparkling tree using tinsel garland, glitter ribbons, mini ornaments, and bright fairy lights, all under $3. Recycle bottle tree. Transform old plastic bottles into a modern glowing tree and LED lights inside from a magical eco-friendly design. Paper cone X-Max tree. Create cones with colorful craft paper, add small beads and lace. Perfect for kids and beginners. Wooden sticks or popsicle tree. Glue popsicle sticks in a triangle shape. Paint them green and hang them with thread or ribbon, grade or as ornament or wall decor. So next is fabric scrap mini tree. Cut leftover fabric into triangle, layer them on a stick and top it with a button star, a soft homely touch. Shape thin wire, now fairy lights wire tree. Shape thin wire into a true outline, wrap it with warm fairy lights, and place it in a jar. Minimal, modern, and magical. Every handmade Xmas tree carries a story of creativity, care, and light. Crafting connects us to our inner calm, helps us to express love, and fill our homes with peace and warmth. So, this holiday season, let your hands create, your lights sparkle, and your heart shine bright, because every handmade craft is more than decor. It's happiness you build with love. Thank you for be a part of this journey. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay blessed. Take care. Hello everyone, again welcome. Today we are going to share something amazing, mindfulness ideas of Xmas tree decor and mindfulness and benefits. Symbol of joy and togetherness, boost positivity and happiness, enhance home aesthetic,